Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. MR spectroscopy. So under the MR spectroscopy, it is a graph gives the chemical constituents of a lesion. So the graph, it gives the chemical constituents of the lesion. So example being the colon peak. So there is something known as a colon peak. This indicates a primary brain tumor. So there is a primary brain tumor. Next, it includes a NNA peak. So NNA peak is decreased with the pathology. So it is decreased with the pathology, and the normal brain parenchyma has a NNA peak. So there is a NNA peak as well. Then the lipid peak. What happens in the lipid peak? The lipid peak is there is a TB, microlipids are present. TB and the microlipids, they are present. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.